today we are going to Camden Market. Hi, how are you doing? Let's go and see what's in the market. I'll take you with me. Let's go. Hi everybody. So welcome back to my channel. So I went to Camden Market after work on Saturday and I had a really good time down there. It was busy. Everybody was moving and shaking. Everybody was underneath each other's armpits. People was just brushing up on people. It was just crazy. Camden is the place to be. Camden Market. You need to go and check it out. There's a lot of things going on down there. All kinds of people. I was surprised myself. But guess what? I had fun. Even though I was just in and out because I was really tired. But I had fun. Check it out. If you haven't been to Camden Market, it's a big tourist attraction. Check it out. Camden Market. So with this part of the video, I had to mute it because there was lots of music playing in the market. But listen, you should definitely go and check out Camden Market. It's a place to be. If you want anything fake, you go to Camden Market. Got fake Gucci, fake Prada, fake everything is down there. And it's so much fun.
Gold plated, nothing there. Gold that's gonna cost you not under 800, 6, 7, 800. Gold's got very expensive. 1 ounce, $3,000 or 3,200.
One is gold, silver plate, or the silver?
No, this is a white gold plated titanium steel.
So this part of the video, this guy was trying to sell me rings. And I was just looking and he goes, everything is gold plated. And everything is gold and silver plated. And everything is in dollars. I'm like, this is England. You don't live in America, mate. So how can you sell jewelry in dollars? Listen, he said everything was gold plated and silver. And I was just cracking up because I'm like thinking to myself, first of all, you're in the market. You cannot sell gold plated in the market. So these guys that was selling all these rings and jewelry, they were on both sides of the market. So you have one selling the jewelry and the necklace, and then you go a little bit further down, there's another one with more rings again selling. And I was thinking, there must be family. Because look, there's more rings on this side. It was totally different person. But listen, man, Camden Market never seems to amuse me. You can get everything down there, man. Next door to that guy, there was some person that was selling sunglasses, and they had like Hermes sunglasses. There they are, Gucci. And I said, listen, these are not Gucci, bruv. These are like Felucci. But this guy was just laughing, and I said to him, how much is it? He said, £15. And I'm like, yo, this ain't really, And he goes, okay, give me £10. For designing £10? This guy had me cracked up. I was just laughing my head off. So this part of the video, I had to mute it because the shops was playing lots of loud music on the street. So because of copyright, I had to mute it. But I'm going to unmute it in a minute. So keep watching. Love.